Science hides truths stranger than fiction. Here are 5 facts you have never heard. Each is real. Each will break your brain. Let's begin. Fact 1. A single cumulus cloud weighs about 1.1 million pounds. That is roughly 100 elephants floating above your head. How can something so heavy stay in the sky? The answer is density. The cloud's water droplets are spread over a huge volume. The air below is denser and pushes up, but the weight is real. Scientists calculated it by measuring the water content of a typical cumulus cloud, about half a gram per cubic meter. Multiply by the cloud's volume of 1 billion cubic meters. That gives 500 million grams, 500,000 kilograms, over 1 million pounds. That cloud you see on a sunny day weighs as much as a blue whale, or 100 elephants, or a fully loaded Boeing 747. Yet it floats. Next time you look up, remember, you're looking at 1 billion pounds of water hovering silently above you. And when it rains, all that weight falls. A single thunderstorm can drop over 2 billion pounds of water. That is 200,000 elephants falling from the sky. Not all at once, but over minutes. The weight of rain is why flash floods are so powerful. Water is heavy. You just do not notice until it moves. Fact 2. The Eiffel Tower grows up to 15 centimeters taller in summer. That is about 6 inches. Why? Thermal expansion. When iron heats up, its atoms vibrate more. They take up more space. The Eiffel Tower is made of puddle iron, a type of wrought iron. On a hot summer day, the metal can reach 40 degrees Celsius. On a cold winter night, it can drop to 0. That 40-degree difference causes the tower to expand by about 15 centimeters. The tower also leans away from the sun. The sunny side expands more, tilting the top up to 18 centimeters. Engineers designed for this. The tower has expansion joints and sliding connections. Without them, the structure would crack. The Eiffel Tower was built in 1889. It was supposed to be demolished after 20 years, but it became a radio antenna, then a tourist attraction. Now, it is one of the most visited monuments in the world. And every summer it grows. By autumn, it shrinks back. It has been doing this for over 130 years. The next time you see the Eiffel Tower, know that it breathes. It expands and contracts with the seasons. It is alive in a way. Fact 3. Octopus blood is blue, not red. Human blood is red because of hemoglobin, which contains iron. Iron binds to oxygen and gives blood its red color. Octopuses use hemocyanin, that is copper-based. Copper binds to oxygen and turns blue when oxygenated. Octopus blood is also less efficient than human blood. It carries less oxygen. That is why octopuses cannot run or fly. They are slow, but they are smart. They have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills. The third pumps blood to the body. When an octopus swims, the body heart stops. That is why they prefer crawling. Their blue blood is also thicker. It flows more slowly. Octopuses evolved in cold, low-oxygen oceans. Hemocyanin works better there, but it costs more energy to make. Octopuses need copper in their diet. Without copper, they become anemic. Their blood turns pale. They die. So octopuses eat crabs and shrimp, which are rich in copper. That copper goes into their blood, and their blood stays blue. Next time you see an octopus, remember, it has blue blood, 3 hearts, and a brain in each arm. They are aliens living in our oceans. Fact 4. A jiffy is an actual unit of time. In physics, a jiffy is the time it takes for light to travel 1 centimeter in a vacuum. That is about 33 quadrillionths of a second, 33.366 picoseconds. In electronics, a jiffy is the time between alternating current cycles, 1/50th or 1/60th of a second. In computing, a jiffy is the timer interrupt tick, usually 10 milliseconds. But the original definition came from chemistry. A jiffy was the time it takes for a single vibration of a molecule. It is the smallest practical unit of time. The word jiffy has been used since the 18th century. It meant a short moment, but scientists made it precise. There's also a nanocentury, which is about 3.16 seconds, and a shake, which is 10 nanoseconds. But Jiffy is the most famous. So when someone says, "I will be back in a jiffy," they could be gone for 33 quadrillionths of a second, or 10 milliseconds, or 1/60th of a second. It depends on the field, but it is real. It is measured. It is not just a word. Next time you hear Jiffy, think of light traveling 1 centimeter. That is the blink of an atom. Fact 5. The smallest dinosaur ever discovered was about the size of chicken. Its name is Microraptor. It lived about 120 million years ago. It was feathered. It had 4 wings, 2 on its arms, 2 on its legs. It could glide between trees. Microraptor was only about 2 feet long from nose to tail. It weighed less than 2 pounds. It ate insects and small lizards. Scientists found its fossils in China. The feathers were preserved. They showed iridescent black coloring. Microraptor was not a direct ancestor of birds. Birds evolved from a different branch of dinosaurs. But Microraptor shows that feathers evolved for gliding, not flying. Other small dinosaurs include Compsognathus, the size of a turkey, and Parvicursor, which was even smaller. Parvicursor was only 1 foot long. It weighed about 5 ounces. That is the size of a sparrow. But it was a dinosaur, a tiny, fast-running dinosaur that ate insects. So when you think of dinosaurs, do not just picture T-Rex and Stegosaurus. The smallest dinosaurs could fit in your hand. They lived in the shadows of giants. They survived by being fast and small, and their descendants are still with us. Birds are living dinosaurs. That chicken you ate for dinner? It is a dinosaur. The sparrow on your window? Dinosaur. The pigeon in the park? Dinosaur. Dinosaurs never went extinct. They just got smaller and learned to fly. 5 facts. 100 elephants floating in a cloud. The Eiffel Tower growing in summer. Blue octopus blood. The Jiffy measured in light centimeters. The chicken-sized dinosaur that glided through ancient forests. Subscribe for more daily science facts you never heard. Support ScienceSnack on Ko-Fi. Link in description.